Welcome back. I'm going to try and get some of this curve into a flat sheet, and all I have is a fire extinguisher, and what I'm going to try and do is just by hand just fold the material around the fire extinguisher, but I do need a completely flat edge, so I've got to try and not get any shape in there, and then the panel folds back here 90 degrees. So what's that, 35 millimeters, about 50 to 55 millimeters, doesn't need any shape at all. So let's have a look. Yeah, roughly, I've just made a greasy mark there, so that needs to be straight. So it's not the easiest job, to be honest with you. Hey, what the hell? No, which way should we go with this? Let's go this way. So I need that to be a bit straight. Okay. You see what I mean about having plenty for leverage? If the panel's simply too small, too short, you've got no real chance with your bare hands of bending it. Okay, let's have a look. Where are we? It's starting to come. It needs to be a lot. This needs to remain straight. I need a lot more curve there, I think. Let's just check that. Yeah, that's right. Quite a lot more. Okay. I need a smaller fire extinguisher actually. I've got one. I do have one. So let me just turn it around and do the other side. This is just a tiny bit of surface rust. That'll clean off, and I'll clean it off, and I'll rust treat it. I won't stick that on the car untreated, that's for sure. There we go. That's it. Okay. There we go. So we're starting to get there, but I need this radius to be tighter, and that's too big. I need a smaller fire extinguisher. I do have one. Let me just go and fetch it. I'll pause the camera, and I'll go and fetch the fire extinguisher. Okay, I've got a smaller fire extinguisher with a much tighter radius. Let's have a look. Like I say, I need to keep at least 50 millimeters straight, and then that will fold back the other way. So I need to make a tighter radius here. Just a smaller fire extinguisher. There we go. It's amazing what you can achieve in the street with precious little in the way of tools. What a job. There we go. If I did this, I'd be built like a bull if I did this regular. It's quite physical work. There we go. Let's have a look at the other side. Let's see where we are. It's starting to happen. Where does the extra curve need to be? I need more here. But with a combination of the two fire extinguishers, you can see the sill starting to form. It needs a lot more there. None at all here. I don't want any shape there. Let's have a look. The top end is not bad actually. When we look at up here,